Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Outlook search not working issue on your Windows computer. First, open Outlook on your PC. Once Outlook is open, go to the File menu and select Options. This will open the Outlook Options window. From the left sidebar, click on Search, then select Indexing Options. A new window will appear. Click Modify and make sure Microsoft Outlook is checked in the list. If it's not checked, select it and click OK. Next, go back and click on Advanced under the Troubleshooting section. Here you will see the option to rebuild index. Click Rebuild and then confirm by selecting OK. Outlook will start rebuilding the search index. This process may take a few moments depending on the number of emails in your account. After the index rebuild is complete, close the window and return to Outlook. Go to the Search tab and click on Search Tools. Then select Indexing Status. Outlook will now show the indexing progress. Once it finishes indexing all your emails, the search function should start working normally again. That's it. This simple process usually fixes the Outlook search problem. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and comment below with any questions. I'll see you in the next video.